ATI hub for that ATI damper. Don't make the same mistake I did and install it without doing this. They have to be honed to fit your crank. I almost had a very bad day. At least I'm putting this new tool to use. I did try to make a video the other day of milling some stuff off the timing pointer. Needless to say, the record button got bumped and turned it back off.